Rũhonge rwa ũcirithania rũtongoretio nĩ mũcirithania mũnene bũrũri-inĩ Martha Koome rũrĩ na kĩgomano mũciĩ-inĩ wa Nanyuki kaunti-inĩ ya Laikipia. Kĩgomano gĩkĩ nĩ gĩa gwetha kĩhonia gĩa kũnyihia maciira marĩa makoretwo makwamĩte magoti-inĩ.
Is the way to go. We are now doing e-filing. You don't have to travel to court to file a matter. You can file it digitally. And we are also having virtual courts whereby you can conduct your proceedings from your device, wherever you are. We just give you a link and you can link to the court and make your submissions. Mostly in applications, we do virtual hearings. Also in matters, many parties prefer to hear, to prosecute their matters virtually.
Imwe wa njĩra iria rũhonge rũrũ rũrahanyũkia nĩguo gũtigĩrĩra maciira marĩa mothe mahobanĩrĩire nĩ matuithanio nĩ kũhũthĩra njĩra cia mĩtambo na mũtaratara wa kũiguithania arĩa mathitanganĩte na maciira ma kĩmũciĩ na ma ũgai mategũbatara ihinda iraya rĩa gũkinyĩra mũcirithania.
Social transformation through access to justice, the vision of the judiciary as a pillar on alternative justice system, as an alternative justice system, including arbitration, court annexed mediation, and this way we reach more people because it's only 10% of our population who are able to access formal justice system. Majority of people go to alternative systems through the chiefs, through the churches and mosques, or in the villages through the elders. So we are trying to formalize that so that if you have had your matter arbitrated through the alternative justice system forum, which we have created, then we can adopt that ruling.
Gatagatĩ-inĩ ka mwaka wa 2021 na mwaka wa 2022 kũratuĩka maciira nuthu milioni matiatuithanĩtio na harĩ maciira macio 86,000 nomo matuithanĩtio.
Some of the bottlenecks, the reasons why there is backlog is because they file cases and they don't want to prosecute them. In fact, the Land and Environment Judge here in Nakuru, Nanyuki, tells me that sometimes she fixes matters in court, she sits in court and parties do not appear. What do you do as a judge or a magistrate? You can't just dismiss a matter. You want to know why they have not come to court. So you move back to the chamber to write to them a letter to come for mention to tell you why they are not prosecuting the case. Then also, our colleagues, the advocates, they seek adjournment for their own known reasons. They don't want to proceed with the matters. They adjourn the matters. Also, other parties file cases not for purposes of prosecuting, but for purposes of teaching a lesson to the other side. So they don't want to proceed with it, but they want to say, I took you to court. I have sued you in court.
Ũkĩrĩo mũcirithania mũnene Koome akahinyĩrĩria maobitha igoti kũhĩmbĩria mĩtaratara ĩyo mĩerũ nĩguo kũnina ũingĩ wa maciira na kũheana ihoto na ihenya kũrĩ arĩa maracicaria. Ngĩribotera Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Wanjikũ wa Kimani.